Would you like to get a ceramic coating on your vehicle for $200 or less and never leave your home? Watch this video, we're gonna show you how. Step 1, thoroughly wash your vehicle. And if you're looking for a good prep soap, Extreme Truck Wash is a great prep soap to use before you do a ceramic coating. Second step, use your clay lube and your clay bar. Simply mist the section down, take your clay bar, and simply rub it on the surface, applying medium pressure, covering all the areas. Very, very simple to do. It's an easy step. Once you're done, rinse it off with water and then dry the surface. So if you chose the packages with the machine polisher, we're gonna show you how to use the machine, the pads, and the polishers. One package does not come with a machine polisher, the other two do, and we're gonna show you guys how to use them now. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use the polisher today. So simply take your polisher, attach the pad evenly onto the backing plate. Take your polish. If you selected the one-step polish, this is gonna be what you're gonna get. Easy to use. We're gonna apply 4 pea-sized dots onto our pad. Pretty simple. We are gonna work one panel at a time. I simply take my machine and I go ahead and rub the polish around the panel a little bit to kind of spread it out a little. I'm gonna go ahead and set my machine at 4, speed 4. Dial is in the back. Set it at 4, and then go ahead and turn it on. And you're gonna slowly move your machine across the surface. That's really all you're doing, is covering all the areas on the vehicle, working one panel at a time. And once you're done with that panel, we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the polish with a towel, and that'll be ready for ceramic coating. All right, so we're gonna take our edgeless towel and we're just gonna go ahead and wipe off all of the polish residue that we left on there from machine polishing this. Once that residue is wiped off, this panel is now 100% ready for the ceramic coating, and we're gonna show you guys how to apply that right now. Okay, we're gonna take our 5-year graphene coating and we're going to apply it to the edge of the applicator pad. So we're simply going to apply it to the edge until it's saturated on there, and then we're gonna go ahead and wipe it on the surface that we're gonna apply it to. Now you can see it go on, so you'll clearly see the residue going on. You wanna cover all your areas. This is an easy ceramic to use. I'm not giving you guys anything too crazy to do, so if you can apply a wax, you can apply a ceramic. All you gotta do is wipe it on and cover all of your surfaces. I can use it over the headlights too if I want, so I can cover them too. And I'm gonna work on one panel at a time. My wait time is gonna be about 30 to 60 seconds or so. I'm gonna give that a little bit of time here to do it, and then I'm gonna take my towels. I've folded the towels into 4s. And I'm gonna go ahead and use one for my initial wipe off towel and one for my final. So now that I've waited my 30 to 60 seconds, I'm gonna take the towel and I'm simply gonna wipe the ceramic off. And this ceramic comes off pretty easy. This is a 5-year graphene coating, so you get really good performance out of it. The maintenance spray that we recommend for this coating is our Graph Speed. That would be the maintenance spray that you guys would use once a month on the vehicle. Again, it comes off real easy. You can see how easy that it did wipe off. That was my initial knockoff towel. I am gonna do my final, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. So what I will do is I will overlap all of my panels. Since I stopped here, I'm gonna make sure that I wipe onto my bumper, I wipe onto my hood, and I get anything that I may have dragged onto my other panels off the vehicle. So pretty easy to do. Just check it with your eyes. If you see any residue on there, simply wipe it off. If you leave any on the vehicle that hasn't come off, simply take your polish that you used to polish the vehicle, lightly rub that on there. That will remove it right away, and then you can go ahead and reapply. So not too big of a deal here. So, and that's it. And that's the application of our ceramic coating. So if you can apply a wax, you guys can apply a ceramic.